You can't hold us in here.
Go inside.
Social distancing. You can't hold us in here, sir.
No,
You can't hold us in here.
Yo, what's happening, people? So basically I had a run-in with the cops and security yesterday. We were recording a sneezing on people prank. And then, yeah, security caught us, held us there for 45 minutes till the police got there. Explained to us we can't be recording on private property. That was the main reason they were angry at us, that we were recording on private property without permission. So yeah, didn't know it was a whole legal issue, so we got let off. It was all good. Police were very, very chill. They actually handled it super well. The one guy's a big fan of pranks, so he enjoyed us. But yeah, basically all of our footage also got deleted. You can see a little sneak peek here that we got of the guy manhandling me to get us to the offices. And yeah, we've got some old sneezing pranks that we did a week or two ago. Yeah, big food challenge on the way coming next week. And also we used the hand sanitizer bottle. We didn't sneeze on them. Everything was chilled. Told most people it was a prank, but yeah, one or two situations we couldn't tell them, but you'll see why. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, all that nonsense. Laka.
Sorry. Oh. Ah. Sorry. What's wrong? Did they get on you?
Wrong in my head.
I'm sorry about that. Oh, sorry, bro. Yeah, sorry, I couldn't hold it. Oh, it just slipped off. Oh, sorry, I'll get sanitized now. I'll get sanitized. Did I get you? Hey? Are you sure? I'm all Rona free, so don't worry.
Staff announcer, Sharif and Mansoor, manager's office.
Sorry. Did I get you? Not? You're not bothered? No. It's a bunch of bullshit, eh? Bullshit.
The biggest scam.
I know. I think it's just the change of seasons why I'm sneezing, but yeah, both of us be healthy.
A fruit and veg assistant,
It's such
you are
a
urgently
scam.
needed at the manager's office.
It's a hoax. Yeah.
It doesn't worry me. I will walk without a mask. I'll even shake a hand still.
Yeah.
Other people are paranoid. Man.
Paranoid.
Yeah, it's a
Yeah.
non-existent thing, man.
Cool.
And we all have to acquiesce, you know what I mean?
Yeah. It's a bunch of bullshit. Sweet. Cheers. Good. Did I get you?
Yeah.
Ah, shit. Sorry, Viz.
No, man.
You're fine. I'm gonna forget, don't worry.
You shooting a video, man?
Huh?
You shooting a video, man?
Yeah. We got there. To do that.
Oh, so you are recording in our store?
No, we're not.
You know that's an offense. Can you just get the stop that because you are making your own jokes over here, coming and spraying people with that, making as if you're sneezing.
every time it's
No, it doesn't work like that.
You
I'm
can't
the
hold
branch
us.
manager
You
here.
can't
No,
hold us in there.
hold on. You
You
have
can't
got
hold
footage
us.
in our store.
You can't
You
hold
have
us
got
in here,
footage
sir.
in our store, and it is not allowed to do that.
You can't hold us.
Just get me a security here quickly.
You can't hold us in here.
Krijg hem aan. Go inside.
Social
Just go
distancing.
inside.
You can't hold
No,
us
no,
in
no,
here,
no, no, no.
sir.
No, you
You can't hold us in here.
Go this way.
Don't take my camera.
So if you don't want to
inside.
come
Don't touch my
I'm telling you
camera.
nicely.
Don't
Go
touch my
inside the
camera.
office right now. You cannot do a
Sir,
social
you are not
experiment
allowed
and
to-
You don't get permission from us. Go inside the office.
You are not
then.
allowed to.
Go inside the office. You can't tell me. I will call the police on you right now. So go there.
The problem is it's always open here. So the boys to check
Boys at Oranje Reserve and Tash.
Tash, not one of the boys yet.
And yeah, we're just having a bit of a chat at Oranje Reserve after the rough night last night.
Those 2 ones, for the boys.
Say it, boy. You almost say it. Pull. Pull, pull, pull. You gotta chug, 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 chug.
Easy work. Easy work.
How are you feeling?
Fresh.
Fresh?
Definitely more.
Gonna hit the waterfront for some pranks and then grab a beer or 2. And then Yoeshin's gonna be using his Tesla to drive home.
Tesla. Yeah,
Self-drive.
obviously.